Good afternoon all. Today I, Vrinda Sharma, welcomes you all in 24 Live Khabar. Today I am going to tell you a story. The title of my story is The Magical Chariot. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Vikramaditya, there lived a great merchant named as the Stepanna Lal. His street extended far and wide. He had his son named as the Hira Lal. When his son came to the age of marriage, the Stepanna Lal called all the Brahmins to find suitable wife for his son. Soon Hira Lal was engaged with a daughter of a merchant of an island. When the wedding date was coming soon, there was a very heavy rainfall in whole the kingdom. When there was wedding, then also there was very heavy rainfall. All the rivers become violent and there was heavy waves coming to the seashore. When the Stepanna Lal and his son go to the marriage, they saw the violence of the river and they become worried that they cannot reach the marriage at a time. Then there was a man who was passing through the water. He said, "Why are you worried?" The Stepanna Lal said, "His son has a marriage and there is very heavy rainfall and the waves are become violent. They cannot reach there at a time." Then that man said that you should go to our king Vikramaditya. He is very kind. He may help you. When the Stepanna Lal and his son Hira Lal go to the king Vikramaditya, he heard whole the story and said, "Don't worry. I will give you my magical chariot to you. The magical chariot can fly in the sky. And I also send one of my that charioteer along with that chariot. When they go to the seashore, immediately the magical chariot start flying in the sky." That was really amazing to the Stepanna Lal and his son Hira Lal. And they reach at the marriage at time. Everyone in the marriage uh, everyone in the marriage gets surprised that they are flying in the sky along with the magical chariot. Soon Hira Lal was married with the daughter of a small merchant in that island. And when they coming back, they also ride in uh, that magical chariot. And when they reach the home, they return the chariot to the king, and the king give blessings to the Hira Lal and his wife. Then they live happy ever after. It shows that how the king Vikramaditya was very kind to his kingdom and to the people of his kingdom. Thank you.